Sir, I have been attending your Bhagavad Gita classes on Zoom.
Yeah.
Can you please tell me the summary of Bhagavad Gita Chapter 1 verse 1?
Yeah, sure. Instead of giving you the summary, I'll also ask you certain questions.
Yes, you can.
In order for me to understand that you are understanding.
Yes,
Okay.
you can.
So, how does the Bhagavad Gita start?
It starts with the Dhritarashtra, the blind king.
Yes. So, the blind king is the blind mind. This is what we had said.
Yes.
When we dissected the word Dhritarashtra, we found that he's a blind king. He's the blind mind. And what is mind? Mind is filled with ambitions and aspirations.
Yes.
What kind of ambitions and aspirations? They are blind aspirations. Why? Because it doesn't care whether these ambitions could be fulfilled or not fulfilled. What will be its consequences? So therefore, the Gita starts with this blind mind's desires that have resulted into his progeny. That means Duryodhana is the eldest son and Duryodhana represents desires.
Okay.
So it starts with two forces of nature. One, the disruptive forces represented by the progeny of the blind mind, and the other constructive forces represented by the Pandavas.
Okay.
So 100 Kauravas and 5 Pandavas are standing in front of each other. Who's asking? The blind mind. And I had explained to you that in the field of consciousness, there are two poles. One, the blind mind, which is pulling the consciousness towards the external field.
Towards the objects.
Towards objects. Second force is the force of intellect, buddhi,
Divine awakening.
which is divine, which is pulling you towards the divine. So the most important thing that this verse tells is those two forces which are not anywhere else but located in our body. And what did we talk about these two forces in terms of physiology?
This is parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system.
Are very good, bhai, very good. So those sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, and we talked these two forces are working within our body. And what is kshetra?
Kshetra is our body.
Good. So now we understand. Kshetra is our body. These two forces are there in our own nervous system. One governed by the mind and second governed by the intellect.
Yes.
When it is being governed by the mind, because the mind is blind, it does not have the power of discrimination
Or dissection.
Therefore, what happens? We fall under a trap.
Yes.
And that trap is that we have sufferings and sorrows, we have dramas and tragedies, we have stories
We have hundreds of conflicts in our mind.
And those conflicts are the battle with the good. Because in the nervous system, when sympathetic nervous system destabilizes the functioning of the body, then who rises?
The positive forces rise.
And what are those positive forces?
This is called parasympathetic nervous system.
Very good. So here it is that everything is there in our body, mind. We have something known as intellect. In chapter 1, verse 1, what we also talked about, the two parts of physics also.
Yes, one is quantum physics and one is classical
physics. Quantum physics deals with the inner field of an atom.
Yes.
But when we start to talk spiritually, then what are we talking of this inside field? It is the field of life and consciousness.
Yes.
This, I think, is the gist. From here we begin.
Yes.
anxiety of the mind, Dhritarashtra Uvach, asking Sanjay that these two forces which are gathered in the field of my body, what is happening?
The conflicts are rising in the mind and body.
Very good. So, in my opinion, this is what is the gist of verse 1, chapter 1.
Of the Bhagavad Gita. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel. We are running Bhagavad Gita courses for free on Zoom, the link of which is given in the description box below. Please join. We are waiting for you.